Always wanted to start a garden but never had time? Well, now you have a little bit of time on your hands. I'm going to show you how simple it is to start from seeds to have a beautiful garden in no time. First, you want to choose your own seeds. Decide what you want to plant in your garden. There's cucumbers, tomatoes, whatever you feel like having. Plan your salad now, and in a few months you'll have everything you need. Next, you want to choose your soil. Just make sure you get something that is a potting mix for seed starters. Then you want to choose containers that have some drainage in the bottom of them so that there are holes in the bottom there. That lets the water drain out and lets your plants breathe, and the soil won't get too soggy for them. I also like to go ahead and make these little signs that you can see that are marking my plants in there. You write whatever you like on it and plant it. You can use a grow light like this one with a timer on it, or you can simply find a sunny windowsill. It's so simple to start an indoor garden. I promise you don't need a green thumb.